If Lucidchart is giving you a Google Drive error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get the integration working again. This is a simple troubleshooting guide for anyone who can't connect Lucidchart to Drive, is seeing permission issues, or the file just won't sync properly. And if this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Let's get into it. The first thing I want you to do is test Lucidchart in an incognito or private window. A lot of the time, these kinds of drive integration problems are caused by browser extensions, stored cookies, or a cluttered cache in your regular browser session. So open Google Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, and choose New Incognito Window. Once the private window opens, sign into Lucidchart again and try repeating the Google Drive action that was causing the error. If everything works normally in incognito mode, that is a strong sign that the issue is not with Lucidchart itself, but with your browser setup. If the error disappears in incognito, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. This is one of the most reliable ways to fix weird syncing and permission problems. In your regular browser window, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on Windows or Command, Shift, and Delete on Mac. When the clear browsing data window appears, change the time ranges to all time. Then, make sure you check cookies and other site data as well as cached images and files. After that, click Clear Data. Once it finishes, restart your browser completely, then sign back into Lucidchart and Google Drive and test the connection again. In many cases, that alone resolves the problem. Now let's move on to another very important cause, account mismatches. Lucidchart can run into trouble if you are signed into one email in Lucidchart and a different email in Google Drive. So check the email address in your Lucid account settings and compare it with the Gmail or Google Workspace account you are using for Drive. If they do not match, log out of the conflicting account and then sign back in with the correct one. This is especially important if you have multiple Google accounts or you switch between work and the personal accounts often. If the issue still continues, the next fix is to reconnect Lucidchart to Google Drive. Sometimes the permission link gets stale or the authorization needs to be refreshed. Go to your Lucid account settings, then open the Apps and Integrations tab. From there, select Lucidchart at the top of the page and look for the Google Drive section. Click Disconnect first, then choose Link to Drive again. When prompted, reselect the correct Google account and grant permission again. This refreshes the connection and often clears up syncing errors, missing files, or access problems. As you work through these steps, remember to test after each one. That way, you know exactly which fix solved the issue and you don't waste time changing things that aren't needed. Also, if you use extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers, those can interfere with integrations too, so incognito mode is a great first test because it helps isolate those problems right away. So to quickly recap, if Lucidchart is showing a Google Drive error, first try it in an incognito window, then clear your cache and cookies, then check for account mismatches, and finally reconnect Lucidchart to Google Drive through your account settings. In most cases, one of these steps will get things working again without needing anything more advanced. If this video helped you fix the problem, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.